Holding elections in Syria could take several years. The country's de facto leader, Ahmed al-Sharaa, has said in his first comments on a possible electoral timetable since Bashar al-Assad was ousted early in December. In an interview with the Saudi state-owned broadcaster Al Arabiya, broadcast on Sunday, Sharaa said it would take about a year for Syrians to see drastic changes after the fall of Assad family rule and the end of 13 years of civil war.
Election infrastructure in Syria at this time is ailing. It needs rebuilding. Today we are talking about the displacement of more than 15 million people from Syria, between displaced and refugees. Most do not have a fixed registration. No one knows what the population of Syria is today. Drafting a new constitution or making amendments will take experts a long time, maybe 2 or 3 years. God knows.
Sharaa leads the Hayat Tahrir al-Sham group that toppled Assad. It was once affiliated with Islamic State and Al-Qaeda, but has since renounced both. And the new government has sought to reassure Syrians and neighbouring countries that it has left Islamist militancy behind. Still, it remains unclear whether it will impose strict Islamic rule or move towards democracy. Sharaa said HTS, formerly known as the Nusra Front, would be dissolved at a national dialogue conference.
A country cannot be run with the mentality of groups and factions. Since we were in Idlib, we've been ready for this, psychologically and morally.
Sharaa and other officials have repeatedly vowed to protect Syria's many minority groups.
We will build a state, not export revolution. I've said we want to manage this phase with the state mentality, not a revolutionary one.
While Western and regional powers welcomed the fall of Assad, it has raised questions about the future of a multi-ethnic country where foreign states, including Turkey and Russia, have strong and potentially competing interests.
الدمار اللي صار والشبكات كلها راحت وتقطشت، هذا الشيء انه ما ولا ساووا لنا شيء ولا خدموا لنا الكهرباء. صار كل واحد هلا مثل ما شايف انت، شوف الشرايط. قام هون الشعب استعان بالامبيرات. نساوي بس الكثير امور انه العالم ما معها. بالنهار الواحد الزلمه يحط له مثلا بالاسبوع يحط له 50 60 الف، هي بس اذا بده يشغل لمبه واحده.
ثمن للكيلو تصنيع اجار عمال كذا، بدنا نضيف عليه اجباري تكلفه الكهرباء. يعني عم يصير عندنا مثلا تكلفه الكهرباء بمعاش عامل تقريبا. يعني
هلا الاسعار لازم تنخفض، يعني هي غاليه، ما زالت لحد الان غاليه على المواطن بالنسبه للدخل تبعنا. اذا تحسن الدخل ممكن يصير واحد اسعار معتدله.